Delivering food to stray cats using RC car. I bought some new cans. This kind of food can help them defecate. Some probiotic soup. Freeze-dried to help them clean their teeth. Some freeze-dried powder. Let's stop here. First guest today. So many cats are here. Their sense of smell is so keen. Every cat gets some food. Let's go to the next location. They look hungrier. So glad they liked the food. The last guest of the day. Although he came late, fortunately there are still some. He did a great job. See you tomorrow, guys.